The history of English language. The history of English language. There is no evidence to demonstrate exact shape to the English language before 700 AD, though English language has been understanding changes consistently and perpetually from the one specific period to another. So the history of English language from the earliest days to the present era of achievements, advancements has been one of the continuous development. However, it is certain that the English language as a separate regional language came into being with the one of the Teutonic tribes that came to British Isles and conquered the greatest part of South Britain. Plainly speaking, the English language was given a new shape and form by German tribes, the Anglo-Saxons and Jutes who spoke different dialects, and from the fusion of these dialects, English language was born. The history of English language. During the course of thousands of years, in the 5th century to 11th centuries, Old English began with the migration of Germanic tribes, Anglo-Saxon and Jutes to Britain. Middle English period is start 111 to 15 centuries. The Norman Conquest in 166, which made French the language of the elite and government. Vocabulary expansion, tons of thousands of French words entered English, especially in areas of law, government, and fusion with words like justice and parliament grammatically changes. The languages became simpler with a more fixed word order. Modern English era 15th century to till present. Early modern English marked by the invention of the printing press which helped standardize the language. The Great Vowel Shift. Assignment significant change in the pronunciation of long vowel that acquired between 1400 and 1800. Shakespeare contributed around 2000 new words, phrases including eyeball, pearly, elgo, and alligator, poopy. The King James Bible introduced many phrases that are still in use today. Globalization, British imperialism, and global trade spread. Now, internet influences also included the change to module of modern English era.